But this is just Scary Spice 90s. If you want to be my lover, you have got to give. Take it, it's too easy, but that's not me. If you like these hair tutorials, quick, easy, not a lot of products, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can keep up to date with me. Really?
Just waiting for your phone call. My delusion. Don't leave alone, yeah. I just wanna stay right here. And it seemed colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall. And we were making hits and mixing, call us by our names. Those intellects do not believe just the same. Oh, no, it's so hot and there you go. Rain is spells everything is wrong. Don't get far. They make believe that everything is exactly what it seems. But at least when you're at your worst, you know how to feel this. See when hard work don't pay off, and I'm tired bearing trouble in my bed. Go ahead and steal my heart.
Bruh.
You know, one time things got so bad until I haven't been in love like I've been in love. And maybe you've never felt the things that I felt. But this is what I told my friend. I said,
Literally, that's the only baby hair I have. Like, that's it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I kept seeing this in my head, and of course I kept seeing it on Instagram and Pinterest. So I decided to go ahead and try it out with my La Jay half wig. I will leave that video up here in one of the cards or whatever. Of this wig, the older it gets, the better it looks, and it just gets bigger and bigger, and I love big hair. Like, Like, there is no way you can see any tracks unless I'm like this. You know, like, it's super full. When the wind blows, you are straight. Like, the only comb that I'm using right now is the comb in the front. And it's just because I don't have any bobby pins right now and I don't feel it. I'll leave the La Jay wig link down in the description box. Right now, y'all been snatching them up. I wanted a blonde version, but it's sold out. Literally every color is sold out, except like the piano kind of blend type of mix going on. I really don't care for that one too much, but I just love this unit. Like, what's not to like about it? I haven't had Bantu knots or whatever you want to call these in so long, and I'm so here for the 90s inspired hairstyles, the Scary Spice look. Like, this is me. If I could find a picture of like myself in elementary, 6th grade, 7th grade, this is me. Like, I wore my hair like this all the time, like literally every week. Wash and condition my hair, and then for the following week my mom would do my hair just like this.